Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, I'll be taking a look at the Solana coin, particularly its SOL USDT pair. And so what you're looking right now in front of you, this is the weekly chart fetched from the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. And by a weekly chart, I mean every single bar represents 1 week worth of price action. I'm making use of some indicators, but mainly you have to keep an eye on this. This is the MACD. This is available for free on TradingView. No need to pay anything extra. And pair that with a couple of moving averages, and that's all you need. And you can get away with that on a free TradingView plan. No need to fork out any more money in this bear market. Save as much money as you can and spend them on altcoin and Bitcoin instead of these things. When you have made enough money, you can always go for the pro one on TradingView. Anyway, so right now I think this is the local bottom for Solana, and this is long-term video, so not short-term. No short-term price action. For that I'll make another video. And certain indicators that I make use of, they show that the Solana is showing certain signs of bottoming. So what are the long-term price targets and where are the resistance level? What are the resistance levels to look out for? Well, since this is a weekly chart and this white line that you see, this is 21-day moving average. So 21-day moving average on weekly is usually very heavy resistance. If a price is above this white line, usually it acts as support. You can see that here, and back in 2021, early 2021, it acted as support. But once we broke below it, for example, here in January 2022, it acted as a resistance. Every time we tried to go up, it acted as a resistance. So unless we are closing below this white line, it will be acting as resistance instead of acting as support. So right now this white line is somewhere around $29. So if we get a pump from here, let's say this is the local bottom, somewhere in the $13-ish range, we can make really good profit. So what kind of profit we are looking at? We are looking at somewhere around more than 100% profit. And keep in mind, there's so much food around Solana, and that is the main reason I'm so interested in accumulating as much Solana as I can. I was not a Solana maximalist, but there's so much negativity with the FTX thing surrounding it that there's so much more, but there's so much potential for making money here. But I'll be keeping an eye on the news. If something really terrible happens, I will be looking to buy Solana in the $5 or $6 range. So I'll be placing my bids below $9, and I'll be spreading it till $5 or so. That said, on the weekly, we are seeing some signs of bottoming. We already have bullish divergence on the weekly, which is nice. And I've already told you, even if we go from $13-ish to $29, we'll be making more than 100% profit. We'll basically doubling our money, and then we can basically see if we have a weekly close above this white line, this 21-day moving average. If we're able to close above it, the next target that I'll be looking for would be $45. And we have tested this $45 many times in the past, here. So either it has acted as a resistance or it has acted as support. So that is the next level which I'll be looking at. Next one, after that, we can see some resistance at $100 range. That's a psychological barrier, but once we're able to close above that, next will be $143, followed by the previous all-time high, $250. And that would give us a massive profit of somewhere around 1800% from where we are right now. So if you buy right now, and if you are planning to hold Solana in the long term, you really believe in the ecosystem and stuff and the things which it is capable of, we are looking for a profit of 1800%. But nothing goes up in a straight line, nothing goes down in a straight line. Just keep that in mind. Let's take a look at the monthly chart real quick. There's not much history, so cannot make any inference or anything special out of it. There's the 2-week chart. Again, we are trading on longer intervals, and usually the longer intervals give a better picture of where the price is going to go. So on the 2-week chart, Here every single bar represents 2 weeks worth of price action, and here you can see the MACD almost curling up, and it appears that the bulls are finally able to get in control. And if you're able to flip to the green side in let's say in next couple of weeks or so, we will see a huge candle again. This 21-day moving average is at $50 or so, which is also a resistance, which was the resistance I talked about when I was discussing the price action on the 1 week chart. So yeah, let's take a look at 3D chart. Here every single bar represents 3 days worth of price action. Here we have bearish divergence, so yeah, keep that in mind. On the 3D chart, I'll be honest with you, things are not looking that great, because instead of this white line going above this yellow line, which is usually sign of bull, this yellow line is the 55-day moving average, and whenever 21-day moving average crosses above the 55-day moving average, that is basically sign of bulls being in control here. But we had a strong rejection here and the price went down. Now we are accumulating in the 13-inch dollar area, and I'll be honest with you, this is where I started buying Solana. If we are able to find support here, again, $24 would be the area to look out for. But usually on the 3-week chart, 3 days chart, 3D chart, we are able to get above this, and usually this 55-day moving average acts as resistance instead of the 21-day moving average. So these are the price targets to look out for. Feel free to screenshot this video, screenshot this window for future purpose, and I'll be making a short-term price action video on the Solana chart in the coming days or so. So that's all about it. Give this video a like to show your appreciation, and stay subscribed for price analysis videos like these. Bye bye.